Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn Investor here, and welcome to my live day trading video. Hopefully, being a Monday, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. So if you're new to my channel, you know what to do. Consider subscribing if you're interested in stock market investing and trading. Also, I do offer a free Discord chat group where I post my trade ideas before it plays out. So please feel free to check out the link in the description below. Alright, so let's see what we have for today. So today I'm watching ticker ACB, ticker APXT, ticker FSL, ticker RMG into market open. I feel these stocks are going to be in play today and probably provide me some great opportunities. So my main focus would be on ticker APXT as it's already having a ton of pre-market volume. I'm a bit hesitant on ACB because it's highly volatile. Being a cannabis stock, anything can happen. So I'm more inclined to trade ticker APXT compared to the other stocks on my watch list. So the market opens in another 15 minutes. So I will go ahead and pause for now. I'll be back before 1 minute into market open. So see you guys at market open. Alright, so the market opens in another minute and APXT would still be my primary watch. I will be watching the first 5-minute candle to plan my trades. Hopefully the stock gives me a pullback. I do have some support levels marked. Alright, the market is open. I'm watching APXT for an entry. I would look to add around 1626. That would be my first add. So I will place an order at 1631 as of now. So I'll keep an eye. No plans yet. Looks like APXT is on for a roll. So FSL is giving me a pullback right now. Oh, I missed it completely. So I had a support level marked. It was just shy of hitting my support levels. So I'll move back to APXT. I don't want to miss the setup there. So I'm just going to place an order for 150 shares, 1648. That would be my first entry because I find that that should be a support level. I'm just placing an entry over there in case it wants to give me an entry. So FSL and APXT would still be my primary watch. So FSL is giving me a pullback again. I think it tested the support again. So now I would have my order at around 1022 because earlier it was trying to test this support level. So now I would probably have an order around 1022. That would be my first add. So I'm just placing the order for that. So APXT looks like it's near my planned entry. The 5-minute candle we do have. Yeah, I got filled. Perfect. So my next add would be around 1620. So I'll just put an order around 1622 just in case. Got my second add. So just cancel the FSL order for now. I'll be adding again. 1592 would be my third add. So I do have a bad internet today. I think the application is not behaving as expected. So currently my average price on AP, I do have 300 shares. So I'm waiting for the purchase price to get updated. So it's already giving me an exit, but somehow I'm having a hard time with my Fidelity account. So let me try the other route on FSL. Sorry, on APXT. So I already have 300 shares. So my average price is not updated yet. So I do have a hard time. So I'm just exiting for now. I do have an order around 1685. Just in case. So I got out at 1675 and it's now going without me. So yeah, I've already exited the trade. So you could see here, I have exited the trade at 1675 and now the stock is testing 1685. So I'm already out of the trade and still my trading window has some issues. So I used an alternative method to place my order, which was to basically open a different directed trading window and place the order at 1685. So looks like on the trade, I made $120 just like that. A quick $100. I will take it. No complaints. Apart from the software issues, I think it was a perfect trade. I would have nailed the trade provided I did not run into the software glitch, which obviously could be related to my internet as well. So today I've traded just for 10 minutes and I feel that I'm done for the day, and I think it's a good time to stop trading and call it a day. Overall, today was a great day of trading, and on the day I made close to around $120. So I would take what the market gives and be happy with it. The goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.